Hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make a real estate flyer for your business on Canva. So let's get started. I've already logged into my Canva dashboard. If you don't have a Canva account, just navigate to canva.com and create a free version. Well, to create a real estate flyer for my business, first thing I'll want to do is to find a template that is in sync with my real estate business. I'll navigate into the search area and I'll type in real estate flyer and press on enter. Canva will give me all the available real estate flyer templates that I can use. And if I scroll through, all these designs are available for use. If I like the blue themed, or I'm talking about a single property or multi-property, then the choice is yours. In this case, I'll want to pick one for demonstration and I'll pick this minimal NQ real estate agency. I'll click on the template and it will pop up a flyout menu. On the flyout option, I will select on the customize this option command and the template will open in design mode. Notice that all the elements within the template can be customized individually. That includes the images, the titles that are in here, in the logo, and also the images that are incorporated here. Remember, this is a flyer. If I want to change this image, the easiest way I can do is to navigate into the upload command on the left panel and select the image tab, the number of images that I have already uploaded, and if I want to upload a new one, I can drag drop from my computer or import one from Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. In this case, from the ones I've already uploaded for my test design, I'll pick this image as the house. I'll drag it and drop it into the main image. Notice I can also pick any other image in here and drag it into the next area. I can also pick another image, drag it into the other text box, and the rest remains. Notice there is a logo here. I can also pick my logo and just bring it, dropping it in that logo section. I can reduce the size a little bit so that it fits exactly the design of my template. I can also change some of the different elements in here by double clicking if it is text, and when it is highlighted, I can type the text of my choice. Notice I have other editing options up here, including text color, font style, text size, among many others. I can also choose to create an effect, in this case by selecting the effect option, and have a text effect that will look and give the feel of my brand. Once this is done and I feel that the website and all the information that is in here is correct, the next thing is to export. Well, I'll click on the file or share option, navigate into the download command down here, and because these are flyers and I want to be printing them, I'll select the PDF print. Once it's downloaded, you have the ability to share that with your friend or take it to production in printing. Well, that is how you make a real estate flyer for your business using Canva. If you liked this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.